Welcome to The Explainer. If you are an IT leader, a system architect, or an SAP professional trying to navigate this incredibly fast-moving landscape of artificial intelligence, well, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're unpacking a massive transformation happening right now in enterprise software, specifically looking at SAP Joule. And to be clear right out of the gate, we're not just talking about a couple of cute new features. We are breaking down a complete, intent-driven paradigm shift. So let's get right into it. I want to kick things off with a pretty aggressive statement. Listen to this. SAP consultants, your biggest competitor is no longer another consultant. It's AI. Now, that is a heavy hitter of a quote. But the thing is, most SAP professionals are drastically underestimating this shift. They see the headlines and just kind of brush it off, right? They say, oh, whatever, it's just AI layered on top of SAP, it's just a glorified chatbot. But honestly, viewing it through that narrow lens is a massive mistake. The reality on the ground is so much more disruptive than that. What we're actually looking at here is a complete redesign. This isn't some bolt-on feature or a quick add-on module to make things look modern. It's a fundamental reinvention of exactly how users interact with complex enterprise systems. The entire architecture of the user experience is flipping. Think about it. Instead of us humans having to learn the rigid, complicated language of the machine is finally learning the language of the human. And to truly wrap our heads around the magnitude of this, we need to step away from the theory and look at a real, everyday business scenario. Okay, let's dive into the practical side of things. We're going to use the classic order-to-cash framework to really ground this concept. By mapping this out, we can take that theoretical threat and promise of AI and turn it into a tangible case study. It allows us to see exactly where the friction used to live in standard day-to-day interactions and exactly how AI completely smooths the whole thing out. Just to prove this isn't some isolated, one-off gimmick, we're going to walk through the entire end-to-end order-to-cash journey. So we're talking about the inquiry and quote phase, moving right into sales orders, running the credit check, processing the delivery, handling billing, and finally, collections. Every single one of these 6 steps is a crucial artery in any business, and literally every single one of them is being fundamentally transformed. Let's start with the front end, inquiry and sales orders. Just think about the stark contrast between the traditional way of doing things and the new AI approach. Traditionally, you had to memorize these robotic T codes like it was still 1998, right? You're typing in VA11 or VA01, you're hunting down pricing, clicking through a dozen different tabs for tedious manual field entry. It's exhausting. But with Joule, you just use conversational commands. You literally just tell the system, hey, create a sales order for customer ABZ for 100 units of product X001. The system understands your intent and just does the heavy lifting for you. And it gets better as we move down the pipeline to the credit check. This is where it brilliantly illustrates how context completely replaces manual investigation. Historically, if an order got blocked, you had to back all the way out, jump into FD32 to check the credit limits, then scour through FD33 to view the separate transactions. It was this fragmented, messy scavenger hunt. Now, you just ask, why is customer XYZ's order blocked? What is their credit utilization? The AI instantly synthesizes all that data across the underlying tables and just hands you the comprehensive answer. Next up, we hit delivery and billing. Now, the old way meant firing up VL011 to check availability and then tabbing over to VF01 to comb through these ridiculously dense billing due lists. Super transaction heavy, right? But notice how the interaction flips completely. Instead of executing commands to pull raw lists, the user is asking strategic, natural language questions. You just ask, which deliveries are at risk today? It's wild. You're basically talking to your enterprise system like it's a colleague sitting in the cubicle next to you. And finally, we reach collections. Honestly, this might be one of the most powerful comparisons of the whole bunch. The traditional workflow requires running an FBL5N open item report, exporting the data, manually figuring out who is actually overdue, and then sitting there typing out follow-up emails one by one. With Joule, you skip the manual labor entirely. You just instruct the AI, draft collection emails for the 5 customer accounts. That's it. The AI already knows who is overdue, it knows the exact amounts, and it generates the communication for you. You just review it and hit send. So, what does this all mean? The absolute crucial point here is this overarching paradigm shift. We are officially moving away from transaction-driven SAP, where human workers had to translate their own business goals into a really complex series of specific, rigid transaction codes, and we are moving entirely into intent-driven SAP. You no longer have to know exactly how the system does it. You just have to clearly express what you want to achieve. You state your intent, and the AI translates that into the necessary system transactions entirely behind the scenes. Now, this shift from transactions to intent, it triggers some massive cascading business outcomes. Because the system understands natural language, traditional software training, well, it almost becomes irrelevant. You don't need to hand someone a 200-page manual to teach them how to just talk to a computer, right? And because all that friction is gone, user adoption goes through the roof. Employees actually want to use the system now. Plus, because you can instantly query for insights rather than spending hours building manual reports, your decision speed improves exponentially. It literally changes the entire operational cadence of a company. And of course, this all builds into a huge evolution for the professionals working behind the scenes. If you are an SAP consultant today, your role is fundamentally changing. The days of simply acting as a system mechanic, spending all your time meticulously configuring processes and wiring together T-codes, those days are fading out fast. The future is entirely in designing intelligent experiences. Your real value now comes from understanding how AI can optimize those workflows, structuring the data so the AI can read it perfectly, and creating these incredibly seamless, intuitive journeys for the end user. Which brings us to our final thought for today. The benchmark for expertise has officially moved. The most important question in the industry is no longer simply, do you know SAP? Knowing the system inside and out? That's just the baseline now. The real question, the one that's absolutely going to define the next decade of enterprise IT, is this. Do you understand how AI will reshape SAP? I really want you to think about that as you look at your own daily workflows. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I highly encourage you to look a bit deeper into how these intent-driven models can start revolutionizing your processes today. Catch you next time.
Subscribe our channel for explainer like this. Join Anubhav trainings for latest technical courses on Build, AI, Joule, BTP Wrap, BTP Cap. Thank you for watching.